Hello children. Today our main focus is on grouping in fives. Our main focus is on base 5 and we will be changing from base 10 to base 5. So I hope you are ready to group in fives. Let's start with our first example, which we have shown on our place value chart. So we are going to start out with our number, and using our place value chart, which we will call our function machine, we will change from base 10 to base 5. I hope you remember what that is like. So we have 13. How many groups of 5 are in 13? So if we're to count together, each of these represents one group of 5. So 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. So using this place value chart, or for today's lesson, our function machine, we have changed 13 into groups of 5. And how many groups of 5 do we have? We have 2 groups of 5. And how many ones do we have? 3 ones. And what base are we working in? Base 5. So our answer is 2, 3, 5. 13 base 10 is the same as 2, 3 base 5. Let's have a go at another challenge. We have the number 31. Think quickly and mentally. How many groups of 5 do we have in 31? From your times tables, you will tell that 5 goes into 31 divided by 5 is 6. So there are 6. Just quickly in your mind, you'll figure out that there are 6 groups of 5. Let's demonstrate this now, down here. This is one group of 5, 2 groups of 5, 3 groups of 5, 4 groups of 5, but we still have more 5s. 5 groups of 5, which will give us 25, 6 groups of 5, and 1. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31. So, unfortunately, because there are 6 groups of 5, if you were to write 6 here, this would be incorrect. Because if you recall, when we were closing or winding up yesterday, we said in base 5 the only digits that would be represented would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and not even 5, because once you have 5, it means you have one group of 5 and no ones. So there's a way to represent all the numbers that are 5 and over. So in this case, we have 6 groups of 5s. How many groups of 5s do we have? Are we able to make 5 groups of 5s? Yes, we are. So let's bundle 5 groups of 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 groups of 5. Sorry, we have one group of 5 fives, which means that here we'll have one group of 5 fives, which is 25. Okay? And then we'll have one group of 5s and 1 1. Again, we have one group of 5 fives, 1 5, and 1 1. When we write this out, we have 1 1 1, and we are still grouping in 5. So 31 base 10, when it goes through our function machine, winds up with 111 base 5. So let's have a go at doing another problem. So what if you had 54? 54 is in base 10. 54 really means there's 5 tens and 4 ones. But can you regroup this as 5s? Pause the video and try to work out how many groups of 5s you get, and see if you can work out through our function machine how many groups of 5s we'll get. So I'll draw this out. How many 5s are in 54? How many 5s are in 54? Those are quite many. Can we draw them together? So 54 divided by 5 is 10. So I know already that I'm going to have 10 of them. Those are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 4 ones. Okay? So we cannot write 10 5s here, but we can work out how many groups of 5 5s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gives us one group of 5 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gives us another group of 5 5s. And then we have 4 ones. So if we are to fill out our information in our function machine, we have 2 groups of 5 5s. We don't have any group of 5s, and we have 4 ones. So when we go through the function machine, 54 in base 10 is the same as 2, 0, 4, 5, because we are grouping in 5s. And you will notice that we only have digits that are less than 5. I hope you have understood and have a go at the numbers that we've been given as we group in 5, as we change from base 10 to base 5.